If you're thinking about listing your home on the market, here are some tips to make the sale process go faster and easier in the long term. Consider doing a pre-sale home inspection. This way you can repair any troubled areas before the showings begin. Organize and clean your space. Cut down on clutter and pack up items for storage to make your house shine. If you have any big ticket items that need to be replaced or repaired, find out how much this will cost. Even if you don't plan on making these changes before you move, this will help the buyers determine whether they can afford the home. Be sure to gather all the warranties and guarantees and user manuals for appliances and mechanical equipment. It's always a good idea to spruce up the curb appeal and make sure that the lawn and bushes are neatly manicured and that the address is visible and the walkway is attractive. As always, if you have any questions about the home selling process, just give us a text, email, or call today.